Ever wondered who first laid eyes on the swift-footed planet Mercury? Our celestial neighbor Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system, was no stranger to early civilizations. It's been part of human consciousness for thousands of years, well before the concept of planets as we understand them today. Ancient astronomers observed Mercury as a bright point of light in the sky, visible to the naked eye. Its rapid movement across the sky, faster than any other planet, led to its naming after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of the gods known for his speed. The Greeks had two names for it: Apollo, when it appeared as a morning star, and Hermes when it came as an evening star. In truth, the discovery of Mercury is lost to antiquity, a celestial mystery that predates written records. So, while we can't pinpoint an exact discovery date, Mercury's been gracing our skies for as long as humans have looked up. What significance did this fast-moving planet hold for our ancestors? Well, to answer that, we have to journey back to the ancient times, when Mercury was not just a planet, but a harbinger of myths and legends. For the Romans, Mercury was more than just a celestial body. They associated it with their god Mercury, the swift messenger of the gods, the deity of travel, commerce, and communication. It was a symbol of speed and agility, embodying the planet's rapid journey across the sky. But it's not just the Romans who revered Mercury. The ancient Greeks, in their wisdom, believed Mercury to be two distinct entities. They saw it as Apollo, the god of light and the sun, when it graced the morning sky. By evening, they thought it transformed into Hermes, the trickster god and messenger. It's clear that Mercury's been sparking our curiosity and fueling our myths for millennia. But what exactly sets Mercury apart from the other planets in our solar system? Mercury, it's a petite powerhouse. The smallest planet in our solar system, it's only about a third the size of Earth. But don't let its small stature fool you. There's more to Mercury than meets the eye. Being the closest planet to the Sun, it experiences a level of solar intensity unlike any other. This proximity allows it to whip around the Sun at a breakneck speed, completing an orbit in just 88 Earth days. However, despite this speedy orbit, a day on Mercury is a different story. Due to its slow rotation, one Mercury day, that's sunrise to sunrise, lasts a whopping 59 Earth days. Imagine having to wait 2 Earth months for the Sun to rise again. Now let's talk about Mercury's atmosphere, or rather, its lack thereof. Unlike Earth, which is cocooned in a protective blanket of air, Mercury has an extremely thin atmosphere known as an exosphere. This means it can't retain heat, leading to some of the most extreme temperature swings in the solar system. During the day, Mercury's surface can heat up to a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. When night falls without an atmosphere to hold in the heat, temperatures plummet to a frigid negative 280 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a temperature swing of over 1,000 degrees. But these extreme conditions also create a world of stunning contrasts. Mercury's surface is a patchwork of craters, plains, and scarps, with cliffs that rise up to a mile high. Its polar regions harbor pockets of water ice, a surprising find on a planet so close to the Sun. So, Mercury may be small, but it's a planet of extremes. From its slow, scorching days to its rapid, icy nights, it's a world that continues to fascinate and challenge our understanding of the solar system. With such extreme conditions, Mercury is a world of contrasts. So, what have we learned about Mercury through our modern explorations? Our understanding of Mercury largely comes from two pivotal missions, Mariner 10 and Messenger. Mariner 10, launched in the early 70s, was the first spacecraft to visit Mercury. It provided us with our initial close-up images of the planet, revealing a world heavily cratered and akin to our moon. Fast forward to the 21st century, the Messenger mission took our knowledge of Mercury to a whole new level. Launched in August 2004, Messenger embarked on a complex 6.5-year journey, becoming the first spacecraft to orbit Mercury in March 2011. One of Messenger's major discoveries was the confirmation of water ice on Mercury. Yes, you heard it right, water ice on the closest planet to the Sun. But how is this possible? Well, Mercury's axis has the smallest tilt of any planet in our solar system, resulting in some regions of the planet never seeing sunlight. These permanently shadowed craters at the poles are cold enough to trap water ice, a fascinating contrast to the scorching temperatures experienced elsewhere on the planet. But the surprises didn't stop there. Messenger also revealed a dynamic and geologically active world. From vast, smooth plains indicating ancient volcanic activity, to massive cliff-like structures called scarps, formed as the planet's interior cooled and contracted. Mercury, it seems, is not the dead world we once thought it was. One more intriguing revelation by Messenger was the presence of hollows. These irregularly shaped depressions, unique to Mercury, appear to be relatively young, suggesting that the planet is still evolving. These missions have revealed a planet full of surprises, challenging our understanding of how planets form and evolve. The exploration of Mercury has truly been a journey of discovery, and who knows what other secrets this small yet fascinating world holds for us in the future. To summarize, what are the key points about Mercury we've uncovered? Well, let's journey back through the story we've woven, starting with the discovery of Mercury. This tiny planet was known to ancient cultures, who marveled at its swift journey across the sky and attributed it with various mythological significances. Moving onwards, we delved into the unique characteristics that set Mercury apart. We learned of its rapid orbit, its lack of atmosphere, and its extreme temperature swings, making it both the hottest and coldest planet in our solar system. Finally, we embarked on the story of modern exploration, charting the course of spacecraft that have given us a closer look at this enigmatic planet. From the Mariner 10 to the Messenger probe, these missions have expanded our understanding and in turn, deepened the mystery. From ancient skywatchers to modern space probes, our journey with Mercury is a testament to human curiosity and the quest for knowledge.